Good day, I'm Ted Jones and we're here aboard a brand new 255 Dorado Scout. This is such a cool boat the way it's configured. If you look towards the back of the boat, you'll see a big side and rear bench seat, and they do fold up out of the way. You also have an optional cooler on the side for even more seating and obviously additional cold food and whatnot. Twin 150 Yamahas, fantastic power. Another setup with a Yeti cooler, a prep station, and a sink. As you come forward in this boat, fantastic helm layout. Very comfortable. Garmin GPS fish finder. The seat does make into a bolster. As you can see on the passenger side, it's a seat. And on the driver's side, it's a bolster configuration. This boat does have an enclosed head. Plenty of room to get in. Great area in the front with big comfortable seating, and it does have a big filler cushion for it as well. Love to get you out on this boat and take a ride. It is an amazing riding and performing boat. For more information, please feel free to call me. Ted Jones, MarineMax, Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.